Welcome foodies. Today we are making some delicious jerk shrimp rasta pasta. Now this dish has evolved over the years. It started off with ackee on penne pasta and some vegetables, but over the years it has become a cheesy sauce with some jerk seasoning, colorful peppers, and some sort of protein on top. Now, traditionally, this is not a dish associated with the Rastafarians. It's just that originally it was vegetarian, so it's something they could partake in. And also, the colors that we're using, those red, yellow, and green peppers, those are the colors that are on the flag that we call the Rasta flag that we see often in Jamaica. So I can see why over the years it has been dubbed the Rasta pasta. So everybody has their own twist on it. Let's get into making this delicious dish. So what I have here, guys, is some cleaned shrimp, and we're just going to be drizzling some olive oil on there, and we're going to add some wet jerk seasoning. So this is that really thick one that has all the scotch bonnet and the scallion and the thyme blended together. So this is very rich. And then, of course, because it's really spicy, I'm going to use my gloves this time. You can use your clean hands if you want to. That's perfectly fine. And then I'm going to add some Old Bay. The reason I'm adding the Old Bay is because this works so well with seafood. It really does well with seafood. If you can't find Old Bay, you can make your own or use a little all-purpose seasoning. And that's it. Marinate this for about 30 minutes or 25 if that's all you have. Now, this is a hot pot with hot oil. We want to sear the shrimp. You want the heat to be on high or medium high so that the shrimp doesn't produce any water, because you want to get that beautiful sear on there. So add all the shrimp in there, and once you see the edges looking kind of peachy pink and they start curling up, then that gives you an idea that it's almost ready to flip it. These are jumbo shrimp, so they'll take maybe 3 minutes per side or 2 minutes per side, depending on how high your heat is. While those are cooking, you want to boil your pasta. Now we're using penne today, but you could use rigatoni if you want to. You could use fettuccine if you want to, but I love penne with this. So boil that and then check on your shrimp. And once you see that beautiful color, you can flip them over. So remove the shrimp, set it aside, and then you have this beautiful seasoning in the pot. Do not remove that. Add your butter and stir things around. Don't worry about those little bits of seasoning that are sticking to the pan. We're going to take care of that later. Just keep your heat medium and add the paprika. So when you cook the spices in any oil or if you toast them, it just helps to really enhance the flavor. So we're not burning it. Just cook it for a little bit and then add some scallion and the thyme. Now we have these are herbs and seasonings already in the jerk seasoning, but adding the fresh ones really help. Now we're going in with our peppers. So we're adding 3 different colors. This is essential because remember that this is a merge of Italian cuisine and Jamaican cuisine. So you want to see these bright colors that are going to tell you that yes, this is a Caribbean dish, rich in flavor, vibrant. So stir these in just for a few seconds, guys. You don't want to cook them too soft because remember they're going to simmer in sauce. So just for a few seconds, and then we're going to stir in some minced garlic. So keep stirring everything over that medium heat. Keep loosening up those seasonings that are on the surface of the pan. And then you want to cook your garlic until it's very fragrant. We're not trying to burn it, all right? So keep stirring those. And then we are going to go in with more flavor, more ingredients. Once the garlic is nice and fragrant, add some jerk marinade. If you can't find the jerk marinade, add jerk sauce. I want to use this because it's smoother, it's a little more liquidy than the wet seasoning we used initially, so we get that flavor and we get, you know, the liquid to loosen up the seasonings. And of course, I just added some broth as well. You don't want to add water because water has no flavor. The broth will give it some flavor. And all the seasoning on the surface of the pan is going to be loosened up. So keep mixing things around. Keep loosening it up with your spoon. So let this reduce for a few seconds, and then we are going to go in with some heavy cream. If you don't have heavy cream, you could use whipping cream. Really rich. This is why I prefer to use this over milk in this recipe. Now we're going to go in with some all-purpose seasoning, and this is just going to add a really nice flavor without using just plain salt. I'm also going to add some allspice because this is one of the main flavors in jerk, so we get more of that jerk essence without adding extra jerk marinade, which would be very spicy. So that's why I added that. At this point, I want your heat to be very low or turn it off and stir in the Parmesan cheese. And then we're going to add the mozzarella cheese and the cheddar as well. After adding the cheeses, I want you to taste, check if it needs a little salt or a little pepper, because sometimes the cheeses come with their own salt. So once you've adjusted that, then we will add the drained penne pasta. Now guys, I did add some more paprika off camera, but I will include all of the ingredient details in the description below the video. So remember to click that down arrow and check it out. At this point, we go in with our last amount of cheese, and then we will stir everything together. Your heat should be very low or turned off completely. Depends on how cold your cheese is. If your cheese is very cold, then you might need a little bit of heat to help it melt. And then you just stir in the shrimp that was cooked earlier. And then definitely add those juices too. That bowl that the shrimp was sitting in, pour out all of those juices into the pasta as well. And this is good to go, guys. It's absolutely delicious. It is so pretty. Like, look at all those beautiful colors. And it's super flavorful. It reminds you of Alfredo, but it isn't exactly Alfredo. It has those beautiful Caribbean flavors jumping out at you. I really hope you guys enjoy this. It is so tasty. I mean, because of the jumbo shrimp too, oh my goodness, really nice and juicy. And then you got that beautiful pasta. So delicious, guys. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. See you next time.